Have you ever heard the equation E equals mc squared? You, along with most others, probably have. It's one of the most mind-blowing, world-altering equations ever. And this equation essentially says that energy in joules is equivalent to mass in kilograms times the speed of light in meters per second squared. And this has two large meanings. The first is that even mass at rest has an energy inherent to it, and this makes sense at an atomic level. Atoms are the smallest unit of matter, and mass is a measurement of matter. In, say, this box here, there are tiny atoms constantly moving around and vibrating inside of it. In order to do this, they need energy. And this is actually what gave us the idea that energy has a gravitational pull as well. Okay, so our next and final meaning is magic. Okay, no, it's not really magic, but it can seem like magic. And it's the idea that with enough energy, we can make mass out of nothing but that pure energy. And so it goes like this. If we take a photon and an electron, and we smash them together, and we add enough energy, we should get that same photon and electron out, along with a new pair of matter-antimatter particles. And so this includes one matter particle, such as a proton, neutron, or electron, and one antimatter particle, such as a positron, antineutron, or antiproton. And this is actually how we power particle accelerators, which are mainly used in research. One smaller idea we got from this equation is that if we convert 1 kilogram of mass straight into pure energy, we get 90 quadrillion joules of pure energy, or 9 by 10 to the power of 16 joules of pure energy. Okay, so on to the big question. Why does this equation work? Well, this equation helps us find the amount of pure energy we get by converting any amount of mass into pure energy. And pure energy is electromagnetic radiation, which moves at this constant speed of light. So pure energy must move at a constant speed of light. So we know why we multiply by the speed of light, but why do we square the speed of light? Well, imagine we have object A moving at a speed of x and object B moving at a speed 5 times that of x. Object B doesn't have 5 times the energy content of A, but rather 25 times, or 5 squared times. And this is just the nature of energy. If we have an object moving x times faster than another object, then it has x squared times the amount of energy as the other object. Since we're trying to find the amount of pure energy in this amount of mass, we have to square the speed of light. Take a look at some examples. We have one mass of 5 kilograms and 180 quadrillion joules of energy for a different object. So for the first one, very simple, 5 by the speed of light squared gives us 450 quadrillion joules of energy. For the second one, we divide both sides by the speed of light to get 2 kilograms of mass. Thank you very much. Hi, thanks for looking at this. I hope you learned and enjoyed.